Just got the Sony WH-1000XM6 and I will show you exactly how to connect it to your Samsung Galaxy or any other Android devices, both with and without the app. First, you have to put your headphones into pairing mode. For that, you have to turn off your headphone by pressing the power button. Now you have to press and hold the power button for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the blue light blinking. After putting your headphones into pairing mode, you will see a connection pop up. Just tap on it and set things up as you prefer. But if you don't see any pop-up, don't worry. Go to your device settings, go for connections, and you have to select Bluetooth. Now you have to turn it on and make sure it's scanning the devices. And when you see your Sony headphone on the list, just tap on it and go for pair and see it's connected successfully. But there are some limitations, so to explore in a more ambient way, you need to open the Play Store. And you have to search for Sony Sound Connect, install the app, and open from here. Just agree the terms and conditions and follow the on-screen prompt to finish the setup. And see, with the app, you can unlock awesome features like noise cancellation, ambient sound control, custom equalizer, head tracking, and much more. Isn't it really cool? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.